But while digital hubs are opening doors to online jobs, another side of the tech story is unfolding. One that focuses on practical, hands-on skills. Through a program called Power Up, Bob Inc., in partnership with Boltech Training Institute, is equipping youth, women, and persons with disabilities with market-ready skills in electronic repairs and e-waste technology. The training brings together beginners and experienced technicians, introducing modern repair techniques that help participants work smarter, grow their businesses, and tap into new income streams. Senior Program Manager at Bob Inc., Ebenezer Amadi, says demand for technical repair skills is on the rise, especially as electronics become more central to everyday life. He noted that new regulations such as the Extended Producer Responsibility Framework under the National Sustainable Waste Management Act are creating fresh opportunities in the e-waste sector, allowing entrepreneurs to earn while also protecting the environment.
The project has four strategies, so we call them strategies, so focus areas. One, we're focusing on training and mentorship of repairers, in this case SMEs, we call them micro entrepreneurs. We're also focusing on supporting the business model for recyclers. The third one, we're focusing on awareness. The public also has to be aware in terms of what they do, where they take their gadgets, how to dispose of electronic waste, how to ensure that there is increased reuse, repair, refurbish kind of mechanism. And lastly, we're also focusing on policy, so to create an enabling environment for SMEs in this space. Now here in particular, we are supporting, as I said, two personas, the existing repairers and aspiring repairers. So we have two groups. And something interesting that we have observed, even with the existing repairers, on day one they will say, so what new thing are you going to tell us? But if you look around the room, we have equipment that they are testing out. Some of them were saying, okay, I haven't seen this equipment before. So they're actually seeing a value add, and this making them come really early to the sessions. We had a slot of about 230 micro entrepreneurs to come to the training, and this was oversubscribed. We admitted 270, and we also had more plus willing to come in, but we told them wait for cohort 3. So this is cohort 2. So really interesting, and from the stories that we're getting from the repairers, both aspiring and existing, is that it's really helping them to acquire skill. And one of the things that we're also saying that you cannot take away the skill from them. So always a pigwangeta. That's a joke I make, and the skill is taken away. So it's something that you remain with, and you can make money out of it. We want to impact livelihoods, so we have two levels of impact. The environmental bit, so where we're reducing waste going to the dump sites and reducing the negative impact to the environment, but also supporting livelihoods.
Inclusivity, he emphasized, remains a core focus of the program.
So the people who are coming here, we're focusing on youth, women, and persons with disability. So it's a very interesting, if you come to some of the sessions, you'll actually see the sign language interpreters coming in to support the persons with disability who have hearing impairment. We also have other groups of persons with disability coming into the project, and we have what we call reasonable accommodation, so where we support them to come into the sessions. And we also partner with the training institutions and the centers, and telling them that you also have to ensure that your training facility is accessible to persons with disability. So this is always a forgotten persona in most projects, and the project is really focusing on this.
At Boltech Training Institute, founder Bolton Majale is challenging outdated perceptions around technical work. He says today's technicians are highly skilled professionals using advanced tools to diagnose and repair complex electronic devices. By giving young people practical relevant skills, He believes Kenya's digital economy becomes stronger from the ground up.
We train a technician who can go out after the training, can either go direct to earn or can direct be employed, because when today's industry, when you want to employ this in technical jobs, you know, they no longer ask where you went to school. They normally ask, the common question they ask, can you fix it? They want people who are ready to handle gadgets. That's why the competence-based training, we train on these gadgets and prepare these people for the trade market that also be able to handle these challenges that faces these electronics in the industry. We also, you know, the emerging technology keeps on changing. So we try as much as to equip technicians with the latest technology, latest devices, so to be able now to face the current problems that are facing these electronics. Mine is just to encourage young people, because from our government statistics shows that we have more than 70 million gadgets in this country that are functioning, and therefore that means that there is a huge market for repairers, because these electronics are prone to repair. And more so, our interest also is not to level of education, it's also interest and passion, because anyone can be trained on this. It doesn't matter you are a graduate or you drop out, whichever way the level of education. So we really encourage young people to come in and also acquire skills that will help them generate income and get employed.
For trainees like Isaac Adem, the impact goes beyond skills. Living with a disability, Isaac shared how technical training has enabled him to overcome stereotypes, sustain himself, and build confidence in his work. His journey is a powerful reminder that with the right skills and support, opportunity becomes accessible to all.
Kwa home appliance, nimekawia for at least those 3 years, and then for phone nilikuwa nimeanza, as in nilikuwa najifanyia tu mwenyewe until hii program wakani approach, so I wanted to advance kwa phone, nijue kila kitu kwa simu. So what I did, nili accept very quickly without second thought, nilijua nataka kujua mambo ya simu, unaona. Juu hapo peke yake ndo nilikuwa na deficit. Hizo vitu zingine it was okay. Yeah, so venye walikuja wakanichukua na mimi pia nika accept, na ndio tuko hapa. Skills wamenipatia nyingi, sio moja, sio mbili, nyingi sana. So mi kulikuwa kama na vitu kama hot plate, sijui nini, mi sikuwa najua hizo. Mi kenye nilikuwa najua kwa simu nibadilishe screen na maybe charging system peke yake. Hizo vitu zingine nilikuwa na approach mtu mwenye anajua, ananifanyia, mimi nalipisha customer. So unaona. So venye nimekuja hapa, kuna mashini zingine mzito zingine unaona hadi ustuke. Ujuangi zinakuwa. So what I did, so kulani hizi vitu unajua pia ni mzuri. Juu maybe ukipata ka capital, unaweza jibaia moja yako 2, 3 jisaidie nayo huko kwa ground, unaona. So hiyo ndio kenye wamenisaidia nayo. Unajua hiyo exposure imenisaidia kujua kuna kuangana vitu kama hizi hot plate, debubler na nini, hizo vitu zote. Yeah, hizo vitu zimenisaidia sana. Juu mimi sikuwa najua. By the way, unapelekangu ufanyiwe, wewe utaendea tu kama iko sawa. Ujui wamefanyia nini, ujui nini wamefanya. So hapa wametupatia opportunity ya kujua nini inafanywanga pale ndani. So unajua ukienda pale ground, kuna ka confidence unakuanga nayo kama uko na tools. Hata customer akiona anasema yenyewe this person is professional. So hizo ndio vitu zenye at least zinaweza boost. Unajua watu wanaenda mahali wanajua kitu inaweza fanyika vizuri. So kama uko na hizi vitu 1 or 2, si juu huwezi kuwa na kila kitu tuseme per se, but ukiwa hata na 1, 2, 3 at least kuna hiyo confidence. Ukimwambia nitakufanyia hii mashini na inahitaji hii na hii, anaona uko na hiyo tools, unaona. So ina make hata ile question ya customer ata question, is this person really genuine? Hiyo question haitakuwa. Kama PWD, sisi watu wa PWD, huwa kuna bracket ingine watu umewekwa, you can do this but you cannot do that. Na unaona hawaja kupatia hiyo exposure, waone kama unaweza fanya ama huwezi fanya. This just wanakujudge tu as in huyu. Mimi huwa na shake, by the way, I really shake a lot. Natingika nikifanya kazi yangu, lakini inizuii kufanya kazi because I know what I'm doing. So na hiyo kutingika yangu, kuna watu walikuwa wanasema juu kuna mtu anaweza sema umekunywa pombe, uko na hangover, vitu kama hizo. Mimi sikunywi pombe, I don't use drugs, I don't use anything. Hiyo ni natural, ni yangu, unaona. Hiyo ni yangu. So na lazima niangalie venye na deal nayo ndio ni survive kwa hii maisha, because hakuna mtu atakuonea huruma. At the end of the day unataka kitu kwa mfuko wako, si ndio? So you have to struggle, wakupatia opportunity ndio tunataka. Si ati tunataka venye wamepatia ule opportunity, pia si tupatie tuone kama tunaweza faa. So mtu yoyote mwenye ako physically challenge ama tunasemanga able differently, wewe jaribu kitu yote yenye unaweza fanya. Kama unaona ni kazi ya mkono, by the way, kazi ya mkono ndio inalipa. Inalipa because sio kama salary. Watu wa salary kwa check ni pesa kubwa, but ikishafika kwa mkono yako ni hivi. But wewe uko pale kwa ground, ni kama biashara. Inakuja venye inakuja, so ni wewe inakuja unaiprogram kiwewe, unaona. So that's the thing. Ukijua kazi ya mkono itakusaidia. Technical work ni mzuri.
We are here at Power Up Technical Training, where the second session is about to begin. We'd love to hear your views on this empowerment program. How much more can we do to empower the young people and the PWDs with technical training skills? Talk to us at KBC Channel 1, the hashtag #TakeOnTech. My name is Stephanie Ayata, and I will see you on the next show, same day, same time, same place. Until then, let's keep it tech.